Okay.
All right.
Off to Kira's house.
Kira's house.
Another one of our in-home cooking classes.
That's so much fun. How many people today?
Seven, and Kira. So
I think what people like about this is the fact that they can cook in their own environment, and they know that they can do this even at home.
yep, got recipes and
Yeah.
yep.
I mean, you know, take it the other day when we did the in-home class, we made pasta. That was so much fun. Flour
It was
all over
fun.
the
Yeah,
floor.
it was flour, yeah. It was,
All over
it was
the
really
floor.
good.
I couldn't believe it.
Really good.
And then we're also doing in-home dinners, custom in-home dinners.
That's a lot of fun. That's a lot of fun because we get to cook.
Right, right.
You know, we get to do our
And yet
thing.
we entertain.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Yeah.
we entertain. That was really fun. So today was
yeah,
good.
use your own stuff.
Yep.
We have our stuff. It's easy, and
It's educational.
yes.
Yeah.
It's
You
fun.
can sit around home and drink your own wine and not have to worry about driving.
Right.
It's a fun time. Give us a call.
Yep.